What's up, everybody? It's your boy Edalberto Day, and we're about to embark on an epic adventure to the beautiful Philippines. From stunning beaches to delicious food and incredible culture, the Philippines has it all. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to experience it. In this video, I'm sharing my insider tips on how to travel the Philippines on a budget without sacrificing any of the fun. We're talking affordable accommodations, cheap eats that will blow your mind, and local transportation that won't break the bank. Get ready to discover hidden gems, connect with friendly locals, and create unforgettable memories. So pack your bags, grab your travel journal, and let's explore the Philippines together the budget-friendly way. First things first, let's talk about where you'll rest your head after a long day of exploring. Forget fancy hotels. The Philippines is packed with budget-friendly options that won't have you sacrificing comfort. One word: hostels. These are your best friend for meeting fellow travelers and saving some serious cash. You can find dorms for as low as $5 a night, and trust me, the social vibes are unbeatable. I've met some of the coolest people during my travels just by staying in hostels. If you prefer a bit more privacy, guest houses are another great option. They offer cozy rooms with local charm, often run by the friendliest families who will make you feel right at home. Plus, they're often located in more authentic neighborhoods, giving you a real taste of Filipino life. And hey, if you're feeling a bit fancy or traveling with a group, don't rule out Airbnb. You can find some incredible apartments and villas for a fraction of the cost of a hotel. Just imagine waking up to ocean views from your balcony, all while sticking to your budget. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: food. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone who loves to explore new culinary landscapes, there's something magical about discovering delicious food that doesn't break the bank. Get ready to be blown away by the incredible flavors of Filipino cuisine, and the best part is, it won't cost you an arm and a leg. The Philippines is a paradise for food lovers, offering a rich tapestry of tastes and textures that reflect its diverse culture and history. In fact, some of the tastiest dishes here can be found right on the streets. Street food is not just a quick bite, it's an experience, a way to connect with the local culture and people. Street food is a way of life in the Philippines, and it's where you'll find the true heart and soul of the local cuisine. The bustling markets and vibrant street corners are filled with vendors who have perfected their recipes over generations. From savory skewers like isaw, grilled chicken intestines, which might sound adventurous but are incredibly flavorful, and kwek, deep-fried quail eggs. These bite-sized delights are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, making them a perfect snack. To sweet treats like banana Q, caramelized bananas, which are a delightful combination of sweet and crunchy, and halo, shaved ice dessert, a colorful and refreshing mix of shaved ice, sweet beans, fruits, and jellies, topped with a scoop of ice cream. Your taste buds will be thanking you with every bite. For a more traditional dining experience, look for carinderias or local eateries. These humble establishments are the backbone of Filipino dining culture. These no-frills restaurants serve up huge portions of home-cooked Filipino classics at ridiculously affordable prices. It's like having a home-cooked meal without having to do the dishes. Think adobo, meat braised in soy sauce and vinegar, a dish that perfectly balances savory and tangy flavors; sinigang, sour soup, a comforting and hearty soup with a unique sourness from tamarind; and kare, oxtail stew with peanut sauce, a rich and creamy stew that's a favorite at family gatherings. Each dish tells a story and offers a taste of Filipino heritage. Trust me, you'll be licking your plate clean. The flavors are so compelling that you won't want to leave a single bite behind. And hey, if you're craving something familiar, don't worry. The Philippines has a wide range of dining options. You can find Western food options in most tourist areas, but I encourage you to step outside of your comfort zone and embrace the local flavors. Trying new foods is part of the adventure and can lead to some of the most memorable experiences of your trip. Your stomach and your wallet will thank you. Eating like a king on a budget is not just possible in the Philippines, it's practically a guarantee. So go ahead, indulge in the culinary delights that this beautiful country has to offer, and savor every moment. Chapter 3. Budget Transportation. Navigate the islands like a pro. Now that you've filled your belly with delicious food, let's talk about getting around. The Philippines is an archipelago, so be prepared to hop on and off different modes of transportation. But don't worry, it's all part of the adventure. For short distances, nothing beats the iconic jeepney. These colorful, repurposed US military jeeps are a symbol of Filipino culture, and a super cheap way to get around cities and towns. Just hop on, tell the driver your destination and enjoy the ride. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, flag down a tricycle. These motorcycle-powered sidecars are a fun and breezy way to navigate smaller streets and alleys. Just be prepared to haggle a bit on the price before you hop on. For island hopping, ferries are your best bet. They're safe, reliable, and offer stunning views of the coastline. You can choose from different classes, from budget-friendly economy seats to more comfortable air-conditioned cabins. I recommend booking your tickets in advance, especially during peak season. Chapter 4. Free or low-cost activities. Experience the best of the Philippines without spending a fortune. Alright, let's talk about the fun stuff activities. The Philippines is a paradise for budget travelers, with tons of free or low-cost things to see and do. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or someone who just wants to relax, there's something for everyone here. Get ready to be amazed by stunning beaches, lush jungles, and vibrant cities, all without breaking the bank. The natural beauty of the Philippines is unparalleled, and you don't need to spend a lot to experience it. First up, the beaches. The Philippines is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and the best part is, most of them are free to enjoy. Imagine lounging on white sandy shores with crystal clear waters lapping at your feet, all without spending a dime. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, go for a swim, or try your hand at water sports, there's a beach out there for you. From sunbathing to snorkeling, the options are endless. You can even rent a kayak or paddleboard for a small fee and explore the waters at your own pace. For the adventure seekers, there are endless hiking trails to explore, leading to hidden waterfalls, breathtaking viewpoints, and lush rainforests. The Philippines' diverse landscapes offer a variety of trails for all levels of hikers. Lace up your hiking boots, pack plenty of water, and get ready to connect with nature. The trails will take you through some of the most scenic parts of the country, where you can witness the rich biodiversity and stunning natural beauty up close. And of course, no trip to the Philippines is complete without experiencing the local culture. The country is known for its vibrant festivals, traditional dance performances, and lively local events that are often free to attend. Visit historical landmarks, immerse yourself in local markets, and chat with friendly locals. The Philippines has a rich history and a diverse culture that is reflected in its many historical sites and bustling markets. You'll be amazed by the warmth and hospitality of the Filipino people. They are known for their friendliness and willingness to share their culture with visitors. Whether you're exploring a market or visiting a historical site, you'll always be greeted with a smile. Don't forget to try the local cuisine. Street food in the Philippines is both delicious and affordable. From savory snacks to sweet treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. Be sure to try delicacies like balut, halo and lechon. Capture your memories with plenty of photos. The Philippines offers countless picturesque spots perfect for photography. Whether it's a scenic viewpoint, a bustling market, or a serene beach, you'll want to capture every moment. Consider eco-friendly activities like biking or boat tours. These not only allow you to see more of the country but also help in preserving its natural beauty. Many local communities offer guided tours that are both informative and affordable. Support local artisans by purchasing handmade crafts and souvenirs. This not only helps the local economy but also gives you a unique memento to remember your trip by. From woven baskets to intricate jewelry, there's a wide variety of items to choose from. End your day by enjoying a beautiful sunset or stargazing. The Philippines offers some of the most stunning sunsets and clear night skies, perfect for winding down after a day of adventure. Gather around a bonfire with new friends and share stories under the stars. Whether you're exploring the bustling cities or the tranquil countryside, the Philippines has something for everyone. And the best part? You can experience all of this without spending a fortune. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the Philippines. Chapter 5. Money-saving tips. Stretch your budget further. Now let's talk about some ninja money-saving tips that will help you stretch your budget even further. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, these tips will ensure you get the most out of your trip without emptying your wallet. These simple tricks can make a big difference, allowing you to experience more of the Philippines without breaking the bank. First up, bargaining. It's not just a skill, it's an art form here. It's a way of life in the Philippines, especially in local markets and when dealing with tricycle drivers. You'll find that most vendors expect a bit of haggling, and it's all part of the fun. Don't be afraid to negotiate a fair price, but always be respectful and smile. A friendly demeanor can go a long way in getting you a better deal. Speaking of money, make sure to exchange your currency for Philippine pesos. Doing this at a local exchange booth rather than at the airport can save you a significant amount. You'll get a better exchange rate and avoid unnecessary fees. Plus, having local currency on hand makes transactions smoother and quicker. Plus, it's always good to have some local currency on hand for smaller purchases. Avoid tourist traps. These are often overpriced and can quickly drain your budget. While it's tempting to try every restaurant and activity that's marketed towards tourists, these places often come with inflated prices. You'll often find better deals and more authentic experiences by venturing off the beaten path. Local eateries and hidden gems offer delicious food at a fraction of the cost. Ask locals for recommendations and don't be afraid to explore. They know the best spots that aren't listed in guidebooks. And finally, pack light. Seriously, you'll thank me later. Packing light not only saves you money on baggage fees but also makes your travel experience more enjoyable. Not only will it save you on baggage fees, but it will also make it easier to get around and avoid unnecessary stress. Navigating through crowded streets and public transport becomes a breeze. Trust me, you don't need half the stuff you think you do. A lighter load means more freedom to move and explore. Trust me, you don't need half the stuff you think you do. Focus on essentials and versatile clothing. This way, you can adapt to different situations without carrying a heavy burden. Another tip is to bring reusable items like water bottles and shopping bags. Not only does this save you money, but it's also better for the environment. Utilize public transportation whenever possible. It's a cost-effective way to get around and gives you a more authentic experience of local life. Whether it's a jeepney, tricycle, or bus, these modes of transport are not only cheaper but also offer a unique glimpse into the daily lives of Filipinos. Don't miss out on street food. It's delicious, affordable, and gives you a taste of the local cuisine. Just make sure to choose stalls that are popular with locals to ensure the food is fresh and safe. Lastly, take advantage of free or low-cost activities. The Philippines is rich in culture and natural beauty, and many experiences don't cost a thing. From festivals to nature hikes, there's plenty to enjoy without spending much. By following these tips, you'll be able to stretch your budget further and make the most of your time in the Philippines. Happy travels! Your affordable Philippine adventure awaits, so there you have it, my friends. Traveling the Philippines on a budget is totally possible and incredibly rewarding. With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll be able to experience the beauty of this incredible country without emptying your wallet. Remember to embrace the local culture, try new things, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. The Philippines is a place where adventure awaits around every corner, and I can't wait for you to discover it for yourself. Thanks for joining me on this epic journey, and until next time, keep exploring. Happy travels. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and travel tips. See you in the next adventure.